y'all, it's Max. What's up, y'all? I am back with another video. Thank you for coming to join me. I know y'all, it's been a long time since I came in, did a video with y'all. But first, I am starting off with my eyebrows. And as you've seen on the screen, I'm using the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in the color Bangin Brunette. And then I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer in Peanut. And basically I'm just using this to lay the foundation for the concealer. So I'm not going to be super precise. I'm going to use a brush, a little flat top brush, to get precise with that. And if you haven't tried this concealer, I definitely highly recommend it. It's definitely bomb. I have cashew and peanut, but this one's the one closest to my skin tone. So that's the one I use for my eyebrows. I definitely need to stock up on more. I usually buy it whenever they go on sale, like 2 for $20. So then I'm taking a brush from Real Techniques. I just got this in a little set and making sure everything's smooth. And then I'm going to take the KyliexJordyn palette from their collection and taking a color from there called Peru. And y'all, I don't care about the situation. I'm still about to use that palette because it's one of the ones I freaking love. And I'm just going to blend that in with a brush I got from a Morphe collection. It didn't have a name on there, but I'm just going to keep blending it until I like the way it is blended, and make sure I keep packing it until that color is matching my other eye. So then, y'all, I'm going to use the Ace Beaute-Grandiose Palette in an E30 Morphe brush. I think I got this palette from BoxyCharm. This is a really dope palette, y'all. You can use this for traveling. And y'all, I'm checking myself out, just making sure everything's good. And then I went back to the Kylie Cosmetics palette and just used the lightest matte shade. I don't know what the color was, but I'll put it down in the description box. So I did go back into that cinnamon shade to darken up my crease a little bit. And I also went back into that Peru shade to blend out my corners a little bit more, so I wouldn't have any fine lines. And then I'm using Touch in Sol No Problem primer. It works on all skin types and makes your foundation so seamless. And then I'm going into my favorite foundation right now, y'all. I'm on my second freaking bottle. It's the Covergirl True Matte Blend in the shade T60. Like, I got everybody in my family hooked on this foundation right now, y'all. It literally works for all skin types. And I literally just do 2 pumps on my face. So that's 1 pump right now. And then I do an additional pump. It's bomb. And it's only like $8. So definitely go check it out. Unfortunately, they only have all the shades in Walmart. There, I took my Milani concealer and my Kylie peanut concealer and put them on, and just used my Real Technique brush to even out. And then I took my foundation brush again. Yeah, I was hungry, sorry. It was like 10 o'clock at night. And then I'm taking my Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. Y'all, this is like one of my favorite setting powders right now. It literally works on every skin tone. And then I'm going to take my Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette in a Morphe E52 brush. And I'm using that as a bronzer, because I haven't found one that fits my tone yet. If you have any recommendations, let me know. Thank you, sis. And then again with my foundation brush, I'm muting out some of that color, perfecting everything, making it look perfect. That's a little trick. If you put too much, then use your foundation brush. Don't wipe it off. And then I'm going to use my Pure Cosmetics Masquerade Face Palette. And I'm going to just use that that peachy tone blush. And then the Milani Make It Last spray. And then I'm going to take those shades we put in our crease and put them on our lower lash line. I'm going to use some MaxxLashes in the style Flexx along with some Kiss Glue. And it's the strip adhesive. And voila, she's hot. And I'm going to use some Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara for my lower lashes and my top lashes to melt them together. And I accidentally got some mascara under there, so I'm just taking that extra concealer I had on the brush and fixing that along with that little pencil brush I use for my lower lash line. And then I'm taking my Jackie Aina Artist Couture collab in LaPeach highlighter with a little fan brush and adding that to my face on all the highlighted portions. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush to make it like really pop out. And then a smaller detail brush to get in my inner corners, aka my eye boogers, to make it just pop along with my eyebrow bone. And I'm also going to add Nars Albatross. That's clearly upside down. Then I'm going to add LA Girl lip liner in chocolate along with these $4 Milani lipsticks that I found at Walmart, y'all. Go get you some. I got the Amore. This is the Amore color. I'll put it in the description box because I don't remember the color name. But it's bomb. It stayed on all day. And this is Makeup Revolution lip gloss and More Than I Can Give. This is my favorite lip gloss, y'all. I think they discontinued it. I hope y'all enjoyed the look. That's the end. I freaking love it. I love these lashes. I love this lipstick. I never thought I would have tried a Milani lipstick. Well, I have a few, but I really didn't like them. So I definitely tried something new, and they were on sale. So win-win. I'll definitely be putting these lashes on my site and MakeupByMaxx.com, and I also use my lash applicators to apply them, which these will be on my site as well. They're my tropical lash applicators, so if you do need those, they'll be on my site again, MakeupByMaxx.com. Everything will be linked down below. Let me know what you thought of this video, and all products and everything that I've used in this video will be linked, as well as my social medias. Tell me what you think, and please make sure you subscribe and push the notification bell to be notified whenever I go live or or post a new video. I appreciate your love and support. Deuces.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes.